Four Seasons Sheraton Hotel in Greensboro on a business trip with my dad. Can't sleep right now. I'm experiencing some insomnia. Been doing that. Been experiencing insomnia for many years now, so actually I'm very restless, can't sleep, so I'm going to give a quick exit sign environmental tour. Here's a self-diagnostic exit sign, best lighting. Here's a simplex pull station. I had $20.99 something. Here's a detector. Followed by another detector. There's not many notification devices in this hotel. What's interesting is that we have a speaker only and a strobe only. There's no like speaker strobe unit all in one. They put like separate strobes and separate speakers in this hotel. And there's not many devices in this hotel. There's not even alarms in the rooms even, which poses a big risk during a fire emergency. So you have a remote strobe, a wheel-off remote strobe, that's the remote speaker. And you have a detector.